Oh my gosh.
You're missing out.
It's so good.
It's shrimp taco night and we are excited, huh?
Woo woo.
Yeah? So last night we were watching Eater's Guide to the World, new episodes on Hulu, and we were drooling, mouthwatering over these tacos. There was a place in Tijuana and then in New York City where they were going over all their tacos, and we couldn't even hold it. So
good.
We decided that we were going to do some more of a gourmet taco here tonight. We've been kind of quarantined the last couple days, and so we're really excited to show you what you got here.
Yeah, so this is us kind of on a normal day. Flannel shirt, yoga pants. I mean, this is just how you'll find us, and we wanted to bring that more to you guys and let you guys know more of who we are. So like Tanner said, that show got us drooling, so we decided on shrimp tacos. So today we went to the store. We have uncooked shrimp here that I got at the store. This is 1 pound for reference. I was actually surprised, it's a lot. And it was like $6.04 to be exact, to give you an idea. So we're gonna have the corn tortillas. Actually our tenant downstairs is Mexican and she's given us a lot of tips and tricks. So if you go in the store and you get, how do you pronounce this?
Tortillas?
No.
The brand. You got it.
It's like tortilla stuff. That's hilarious. Yeah, so if you get this brand, you don't want to get the green kind. You want to get the red kind because they last better longer. So that's a trick, tried and true from our tenant. We also have a white onion. She said that's the best kind to use. You don't use yellow. That's what I used before because they're the cheapest. But you want to go white onion with almost all Mexican food. All the recipes I know that she's used, white onion. We have some cilantro here that, because of course, just like street tacos, mostly the toppings are cilantro and onion. So that's what we're going to be throwing on top, along with some purple cabbage. To go on top, we'll slice that up really small. And then we're going to make a really yummy like cilantro serrano chili sauce, like kind of a cream sauce. So we're going to mix it with maybe some heavy cream, yogurt. We'll kind of see. We're going to probably kind of throw it together, but these are serrano chilies, so you know they're hotter than jalapeno, and we love them. We use them a lot. And then of course you have to have the limes. Okay, so before we start, we want to do one quick tip with cilantro on how to make it last long. This is tried and true. We've done this for a long time. I learned it in my program. So you wash it, put it on a towel like this, just like you can see. That's why it's here. The cilantro still is a little wet, so you can see that it's like the wet is kind of on my hands. This is a perfect time to put it in a container. So we choose a glass container. Tanner, why don't you put it in and show it? We eat the whole cilantro stem. Like, we don't cut off any because, quite frankly, we think it's better that way, plus less food waste. So we just take it, I mean, yeah, you can take the whole thing and just put it in the glass container. This size works good for us. And then you just simply put the top on, put it in the fridge. When you want to get the cilantro out to eat, you just take it out. It's already clean. You can just chop it up straight from there. And one quick tip is you just take out the bad parts when you see them as you go. Then it will make it last longer.
Yep. One other tip that we have is using reusable bags. So plastic is everywhere and you can't seem to avoid it. But we try our best to eliminate the number of plastic bags that we use, even at the grocery store. It's hard because a lot of things just come in it. But we have this woven bag that we like to use for produce, and then we also got these on Amazon. Really great for storing stuff in the fridge and vegetables, fruits, your produce, whatever. And so we'll have the link down in the description below.
Yeah, these are the 3 different sizes it came with. There was probably like a pack of like 15 or 20 of these total. But we use them all the time. They're really nice because they're lightweight, so when you go to weigh your produce, it doesn't increase the cost more, and you can like put all the things individually in them without them touching.
I'ma do what I'm made to do. I'ma do what watch me go. I got the voice and I got that flow. For all the girls, gotta let them know. We the ones that run this show. We've been around the block, not in it for the rock. I'm in it for my paper. Hey, you ain't gonna make me. Got that body, got that body, got that body. Yeah, I ain't sexy, looking fly, looking fly, yeah.
Okay, we put the lid of the cast iron skillet on, so it collected some of the moisture in here. So we just gotta boil it out, but Tanner tasted one.
We are excited. You really?
That's all I need. I feel so nice.
Alright, so all the food's ready. We're gonna prep the tacos, but before we do that, I wanted to say part of our food documentaries that we want to do here are because we've connected with so many people through food. In India, in Asia, in Central America, in Europe. It's just a way that we can connect the soul to another culture. And so this tonight, albeit we're not doing anything extravagant, it's a way for us to connect with a lot of the places that we've been to and experience some extraordinarily delicious food and have a good time doing it too.
Yeah, so we want to try and do more videos like this. I mean, the main focus of our YouTube channel is travel and then food and then the special moments in our life. But but those are the main two ones. And so you're going to see us trying new restaurants, trying new foods, making foods. So yeah, this is us doing that. We're going to put it together now. We just roasted, I guess, grilled, seared these tortillas. Don't know the proper term. So let's put them together. We're gonna get some of the garlic, which was seared in or sauteed in butter and garlic. And then a good street taco has a lot of toppings. Let's get them on. Oh, we need to get a spoon. Pause. Let's go get a spoon. Okay, here you go. Those are the tacos. Should we each take a bite?
One, two.
Oh my gosh.
You're missing out.
It is so good.
The aioli sauce is a spicy. Or not aioli, I shouldn't
No,
say.
there's a little bit of mayo in it, which is
Yeah.
the base, but not technically aioli.
But the shrimp are just nice and soft. Yeah, I've got a little bit of that tender bite to it as well. And then the cabbage and onions are nice and crunchy.
Gives the bite.
Yep. Overall, love it.
So good. That lime juice, you cannot not put that on. Highly recommend it. We'll put the recipe down in the description. A fun recipe to make at home and really fairly fast and easy. We don't live by the ocean, so our seafood may not be the most
top quality.
yeah, but we definitely highly recommend this recipe. You can make it wherever.
Yep. Well, thanks for joining us. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like our video, and goodbye,
We'll
everybody.
see you next time.
I can shine. I'ma do what I'm made to